pan, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and on a high heat, we're gonna saute salmon, fresh salmon I have here. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides. And we're gonna saute on each side about 2 minutes, approximately 2 minutes. Salmon fish is cooking really fast. When you see a salmon nicely brown, then we're gonna transfer into a plate. Next, I'm gonna saute a vegetable. So in a pan, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and all the vegetables. I have here onion, red bell pepper, and we're gonna saute for a minute or so. Then we're gonna add garlic, about 1 head of garlic sliced, just like that. And I'm gonna add broccoli. You can add as much broccoli as you like. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and on medium high, I'm gonna saute this just for a little bit. Now is the time to add half and half. I'm using organic half and half. I like to use everything organic. That's how this recipe can become healthy recipe. And add organic, your favorite butter. Just a little bit, about 1 tablespoon of butter. And we're gonna add our fish, salmon fish back into a pan. On a medium high, cook this for 3 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice, and then lower the heat on a low and simmer about 10 minutes or so. And we all done. Look how beautiful and delicious it looks. So delicious. I highly recommend you try this recipe. It's really yummy, garlicky. You can add a little bit less garlic if you think it's too much of garlic. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment below what is your favorite Christmas recipes, and I'll see you in my next video.